At Economy HVAC Inc. in the Woodland, Davis, and Sacramento, California areas, we're your go-to partner for home repairs and upgrades. At Economy HVAC Inc. in the Woodland, Davis, and Sacramento, California areas, we're more than just a service provider. We're your reliable partner in home repairs and upgrades. From heating and cooling to routine maintenance and installations, our experienced team offers smart, dependable solutions tailored to meet your needs and your budget. Whether it's a quick repair, a routine maintenance call, or a major installation project, you can count on us to get the job done right. Say goodbye to the stress of home repair challenges. Make Economy HVAC Inc. your first call today at 530-207-9457.